right, what's up, everybody? Um, Today, I'm going to go through some instructions on this product right here. It's called the Blue Ridge 8-in-1 folding screwdriver. I got this from Target. You can probably get this, and look at the back. This is what it looks like. It looks like this. Okay. You can probably get this at a gas station or something. It might not be called this in particular, but this is the one Target carries as far as what I picked up at. Now, one of the things I'm going to show you how to install the batteries on this, and one of the things I want you to be aware of is it doesn't come with any real instructions. So on the back of this, let's look at it. It says AA battery not included. Now, make sure you see it says AA battery. This product takes AAA batteries. So, so right. So this is already wrong from the get up, right? And then on here it says like push this little thing up here. Now, if you're not careful, you can break it because I almost broke mine, and because this little diagram doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna show you what exactly to do. All right, so you have your screwdriver, right? Put it on this, and this little hook here, you just slide it up. It's like a push. You push it up. Let me see if I can do this on camera so you can see it. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah, you just push it up. You put your thumb on the groove at the top where the triangle is, and you just push up. Actually, let's see if I can. Actually, I had to go down a little bit at the bottom hook and start pushing up like this. Okay, so I push it up. And you don't push it up hard, push it up gently. And look inside of here. So they said AA, but it's AAA. And this is what AAA looks like. Very small, the skinny ones, right? And the first set, when you look in the hole, you have two holes. You have a big one and you have a smaller one. The smaller one is for the lights. There's lights on this camera. So I'm gonna put it face down just like this. So the little head is going down in it. So I'm gonna slide that into, and it takes two of them in there like that. So let me just see if we could see. You see how it's flat at top? So both of them are facing the same direction. And then in the middle part, it takes a battery as well. And I believe the middle is down. I'm gonna check we'll find out about the middle. I think it's down as well. I'm gonna see. We're gonna find out. So then you take this and you just push it on gently. Actually, let's see if I can do this in the camera. So I'm gonna push it down. Okay, push it down gently, and nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened, right? So that means the big battery is not in right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just again push this little thing. See, I pushed it up just like that. I'm gonna change the big battery, not the big battery, the bigger hole orientation. So I'm gonna take the battery and place it in like this. So you see the top, right? Okay, and I'm just gonna show you the interior. See that? So this one's flat, and the one in the middle is pointing up. And I'll put this top back on. I keep pressing the button because I'm just that kind of person. And as you can see, nothing is happening. So obviously, I put it in wrong. Let's try it again. I'm going to change the orientation. Let me first check out the batteries, and I'm going to tell you what it is. So what we got here. It's funny because I just had it working. Maybe it's defective. We'll find out in a minute. Oh no, here it is. Okay. So this is the orientation. Sorry about that, people, but this is live and I had to figure it out. So let's take a look at it. The small little battery sliders with the 2 batteries, I guess the eyeball is at the top, right? So it's facing up. And then the one in the middle is the one that's smooth. Okay, you see it? All right. Let me put it in just like this. So watch this whole video first before you. Right. So I'm just going to slide this down like this. Okay. And it should slide down. If you get it in right. And when I click the button, this is what happens. Now, I don't know if this thing is supposed to. Let me see what it's supposed to do. Easy work light and flashlight. So yeah, so the batteries is all for this flashlight. So that's basically it. So I just wanted to make a quick video of how to put this crazy thing together. And hope you enjoy it. Please give a like or a thumbs up if it just helped you in any way. It helps me, so I appreciate it. Okay, any questions? I know your feedback and your frustration about the instructions, put it in the comments because I know you're going to have frustration because I had a lot. All right, we'll talk soon.